I'm going to be using 1 kg of mutton mince meat. I'm going to boil that mince meat, and when it boils once, then just turn it off and you use a sieve and throw that water away. Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. Today inshallah we'll be making keema aloo, which is mince meat and potatoes. After boiling the mince meat, I'm going to put it in a pan and add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add 3 medium onions chopped fine and 3 tablespoons of chopped fine ginger and garlic. And I'm going to add 5 cloves and half a teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of red chili, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder, and I'm going to give it a mix now until all the ingredients are mixed in. I'm going to leave this to cook now on medium heat until it's ready, and I'm going to cover it. I'm just going to check now if the mince meat is cooked. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, the water's evaporated now and the mince meat is cooked. So I'm going to add 4 tomatoes now that the mince meat is ready, and I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of oil, 3/4 cup. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of ready-made keema masala, but this is optional, but it'll make the taste a bit better. If you can put it in, that'd be great. Now that I'll put the tomatoes in, it's been about 3-4 minutes, I'm going to add in 2 medium potatoes and give it a mix. Now I've added the potatoes, I'm just going to add a bit of water to it, just a bit. Put it on low heat and just cover it and let it simmer and cook. It's been about 7-8 minutes since I put the potatoes in. I'm just going to check if they've been cooked. They've been on low heat for about 7-8 minutes. Bismillah. They're about 90% cooked now. So I'm just going to cook it a bit more and they'll be done. I'm going to add 4 chopped chilies and half a cup of coriander. The potatoes are ready and the mince meat is cooked. Now it's ready. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and I'm going to turn it off straight away, and I'm going to mix it in. That smells beautiful, that is. You can smell the herbs and the spices. Beautiful. MashaAllah, it's come out beautiful, that keema aloo has. Keema and potatoes, mincemeat and potatoes. You can enjoy this with boiled rice, roti, naan bread, and there's various things you can enjoy it with. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share and like my channel. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.